you don't have, but you are using your school fees to pay tithes. Oh, I like her because you are giving them 1 or 2 cash. I don't have money. How much do I have that I want to set financial goals? It's not people that have money that will be setting financial goals. You don't need it. Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are absolutely welcome. So my name is Jeremiah George. I'm a content creator and a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. I provide individuals with valuable and resourceful information for personal growth. So you should definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't get to miss any of the juicy content that I create. Now go and subscribe. Thank you. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about the money mistakes you are currently making in your 20s. These mistakes, most times we do them unintentionally. It just happens unconsciously. So we need to take notes of them so we can know how to manage our money properly. So let's get right into the video. Now, the first money mistakes that you are making in your 20s is giving wrongly. Of course, people give wrongly. You give wrongly by you don't have, but you are borrowing to give. You don't have, but you are using your school fees to pay tithes. Like somebody gave you money to pay your school fees, and then you decided to use it to pay tithes, or no, not that you decided to use it to pay tithes. You decided to take 10% of it and use it for tithes, or you decided to use out of your school fees to help a friend, or to help a brother, or to help a sister. That is doing what? Giving wrongly. You don't have enough, but you are borrowing to give people, or you don't have enough, but you just want to please people. You just want people to say you as, oh, that girl is nice. Oh, I like her because you are giving them 1 or 2 cash. So giving wrongly is a money mistake that you shouldn't be making in your 20s. If you want to grow financially, you shouldn't give wrongly. You should learn how to give the right way. When you have, you give. Even if you don't have and you want to give, you should know how to go about it. Not you depriving yourself of a lot, or not even depriving yourself of a lot. It's like, okay, even if you have and you want to give, just make sure you do what? You give the right way, so you can even yield fruits. Giving wrongly is a no-no, so you should stop making that mistakes. Now, the next money mistakes that you are making in your 20s is not setting financial goals. I think it's common among people living in their 20s. Why? Because you hear people say, oh, I don't have money. How much do I have that I want to set financial goals? It's not people that have money that will be setting financial goals. Of course, that is will I call it a misconception, or I don't even know the way to target. But not setting financial goals doesn't really mean until you have 1 million, until you have billions of naira, until you have billions of dollars before you set financial goals. Financial goals takes more than that. And if you don't start to be able to account for the little that you have right now, trust me, even when you have big, you end up using them anyhow because you're not even setting financial goals. How do you even set this financial goals? You take a book, you budget, right? Okay, this is how I want to spend my expense. This is how I want to plan for the money that is coming in. And that leads us to the third mistakes that you are making in your 20s, which is not tracking your money. For instance, you get 10,000 naira a week, or you get 10,000 naira a month, and then at the end of the day, you'll be like, how did that 10,000 naira finish? That's because you didn't track your money. And I know, trust me, I know people will say, does this girl know what she's saying? Yeah, I do. Has she been to the market recently? Yes, I've been to the market, and I know things are expensive. I know the price of things they just keep going up, and it doesn't even seem like it's coming down. Recently, we had fuel issues, not be able to get diesel. I know that, trust me, I know. But regardless, you need to track your money. You should know where your money is going to, so you'll be able to do what? Account for every money that comes in and every money that goes out. You should be able to do what? Track your money. There are apps on Play Store, Apple Store that you can use to track your money. You can just put in the amount that you receive, and then okay, this is a budget. Just budget for everything, because you would not start buying things that you wouldn't need. You will not buy things that you wouldn't wear. You will not buy things that because my friend is buying it, so I should get it. When you sit and then try to track your expenses, you would know what you are spending money on, and if it is good or if it is useful. So track your money. Now this leads us to the next money mistakes that you are making in your 20s. Relying on your parents. Yeah, I said in your 20s, so most of us still rely on our parents. You are staying with your parents, you are relying on them, even though, okay, you are staying with your parents, but you don't really necessarily rely on them. But one way or the other, you actually do rely on your parents. Now, in your 20s, especially 23, 24, and upward like that, you shouldn't, even if you want to rely on your parents, it shouldn't be as much. I wouldn't want to compare us Nigerian kids with people outside the country. I wouldn't want to do that. But relying on our parents in our 20s wouldn't really do us good, because we need to start doing things that would help us with money, doing things that would fetch us money legitimately, honestly, because we do legit on this channel. We don't do illegal business. So you should start thinking, okay, what do I do to get more money? What services do I need to render to people so I can get more money? Just think of things. Now I think most schools are on strike, ASUU strike. We've done the first month. Now we are on to another 2 months. And you are sitting down idle when you should be thinking of, okay, how am I going to make money? This is why I'm even doing a YouTube video, because I want to grow my YouTube channel and then get monetized so I can make money. Trust me, who does not need money? Anybody that say money cannot do anything for you, money can. Honestly, money can do a lot for you, and I'm sure you know that. So you should, at this point, you should start thinking, okay, what skill do I need to learn? What thing do I need to do that will fetch me money? As long as it's legit, trust me, you don't have a problem. As long as what it is legit, you don't have a problem. So start thinking. Affiliate marketing is everywhere. Now you might not have money to register with affiliate marketing being 60,000 and all that. You might not have that kind of money, or you can start to learn little skills like video editing, graphic designing. These days, everybody on WhatsApp is selling something or the other. Selling bags, selling shoes. Well, what makes you stand out is the digital skill that you add to your business, and then that is what is even going to fetch more money for you. So you should start learning, thinking, okay, what skill should I learn? What skill should I do? And that brings me to one of my classes. I teach graphic design classes, and I also do video ads for people. I do it and I also teach it. So if you would want to learn how I'm able to create awesome, stunning, amazing, awesome graphics, then you should check the link below in the description box to get started. If you want me to create one for your business, I would also do that. Or if you also want to learn, I'll do that, and I'll do that at a discounted fee if you tell me you are from my YouTube channel. So yeah, so that is it on learning a skill so you can make more money. Not learning a skill so you can make more money is a mistake. So you should do what? Learn a skill to make more money in your 20s. So let's get right to the next money mistakes that you are doing in your 20s. Spending more than you earn. Honestly, because we don't even track our income, we don't even know that we are spending more than we earn, because you just spend. As it comes, you spend. As it comes, you spend. You shouldn't be living above your means. You shouldn't be living above your income. If your income is 50,000, you should be able to account for it. You should be able to say at the end of the day, this is what I have carved out. This is what I have saved. This is what I am planning due to the financial goals that I have, due to the things that I'm looking forward to getting in future. So you should do what? You should not spend more than you earn. In your 20s, you need to know how to manage your money properly. You need to know how to be able to account for it. You shouldn't be spending on things that are irrelevant, things that are not useful, things that wouldn't do you any good, things that would just, okay, let the world know that I have this. Buying things because, okay, my friends are actually doing this, so let me get to that. They'll add me to their group. You know, stuff like that. In your 20s, you don't need it, because you need money for more better things than getting flashy things that wouldn't even help. Now, the next money mistakes that you are making is buying things on impulse, meaning you have not planned for something because you stepped out and you say, I like it, let me buy it. You go out again the next day, I like that bag. That bag is awesome. That bag is too fine. If I will not can I just go walk, they're gonna say, seriously, buying on impulse is not helpful. It is a bad, in fact, it is a money mistake you shouldn't be making in your 20s, because if you start doing, in fact, I'm sure most of you, when you sit back, you'll be like, look at the number of bags I have, look at the numbers of shoes I have, and I'm still looking for more. That's because, and when you begin to think, you find out that those things, we got them on impulse because you just like, oh, I like that, I'm getting it. Oh, I like that, I'm getting it. Oh, I like that, I'm getting it. At the end of the day, you are broke. So when you buy things on impulse, it is a bad habit. It is also a money mistake that you shouldn't be making. So stop impulse buying. Yeah, and that is the end of today's video. I really hope you got value from this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. So which money mistakes are you making now, and which money mistake would you try to improve on in your 20s? Leave that in the comment section below. And don't forget, if you would love to learn a skill that I already know of, if you would love to learn graphic design, if you would love to learn video creation or editing tips and all that, you should check the link in my description so that you can get started. Just send me a message. I'll send you my link, which you can have access to me directly, and just tell me, oh, I came from YouTube and all that, and then we'll know how to, give discounts and all that. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you want to see more of this, you should make sure you subscribe, you should make sure you like, you should make sure to also leave a comment telling me what you think about this video, and telling me also what other videos you'd love to see on my YouTube channel. I really hope you got value, because I had so much fun doing this, and I know it's been a while. So cheers to more videos coming your way very soon. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye.